K. Many words begin with consonants. Let's listen out for the beginning sounds of different words. This is the letter K. The letter K says K, K. Do these words begin with K? Does the word kick start with the letter K? Kick. Yes, it does. K, k, kick. Does the word kiss start with the letter K? Kiss. Yes, it does. K, k, kiss. Does the word kite start with the letter K? Kite. Yes, it does. K, k, kite. Does the word fish start with the letter K? Fish. No, it doesn't. Fish. Does the word king start with the letter K? King. Yes, it does. K, k, king. This is the letter Y. The letter Y says Y. Y. Do these words begin with Y? Does the word yes start with the letter Y? Yes. Yes, it does. Yes. Does the word yellow start with the letter Y? Yellow. Yes, it does. Yellow. Does the word robot start with the letter Y? Robot. No, it doesn't. Robot. Does the word yarn start with the letter Y? Yarn. Yes, it does. Yarn. Does the word yacht start with the letter Y? Yacht. Yes, it does. Yacht.